Hello everybody, today is December 20th, 2012. My name is Chris and you're watching the Ichimoku video. Just please take a moment to pause your screen and read over the disclaimer before you begin. Right now I will be going into the market and going over some of the requested pairs. But before I begin, I just want to quickly note that we are heading closer to the holidays. Therefore, you should really keep in mind that during these times, the market tend to act really strange, as you could see for the last couple of weeks. With the correlations in itself, it really has been correlating, and times like these are best to just go over your mistakes, your winning trades, your losing trades, and exactly how everything works and how you feel about trading. Especially, it's a good time to reflect on your pros and your cons, because I feel like for the next week and a half, 2 weeks until after January 1st, we will be seeing just a lot of weird activity in the market. Right? So just take that time to really go over exactly what you guys need to work on and what works. Alright, so with that being said, let's take a look at pound kiwi. And with pound kiwi right now, and keep in mind that I'm still going through some chart troubles. As you can see on the right hand side, this is the daily chart. Top left is 4 hour and bottom left is 1 hour. We won't be covering the 1 hour so much, I just have it there. And this is a 20 EMA on a 1 hour chart. This is the 4 hour Kijun, and the daily on the right hand side has both Tenkan and Kijun. But as you can see on the daily chart, I still have these just these weird daily candles. It's only like this on the daily chart. Alright, I think it broke out of this. My platform has been acting up. I think it stopped because this candle, today's candle, seems to be forming quite accurately. But we have a descending trend line on the daily chart. Price right now is capping pound kiwi on this descending trend line. Alright, so if we do get a break above 1.9540, look for price to break above the cloud. Alright, and that could be a reason why on a 4 hour chart we see a slight hesitation in the market with these candles, with these 4 hour candles not really making any real trending movement. Alright, so if we do get that break on the daily, then we could see that trend on the 4 hour chart with the 4 hour candles making higher highs. Alright, and if you are bearish pound kiwi, then what you want is a rejection of this descending trend line. But we have some support at the daily Kijun at 96.23. However, pound kiwi has been really choppy. Is one of the I'm sorry. The way I would play pound kiwi right now is only off of a breakout, because despite this downtrend that we most recently seen, the last few months of pound kiwi really has been choppy, not really trending. More, I would say, for people that scalp rather than people that hold. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. Let's go to daily chart first. Pound Aussie right now. Alright, I have a descending trend line. However, I'm anticipating price action. Let me just make this bigger. Here we go. I have a descending trend line. It hit twice. It didn't hit yet. So what I'm looking for is, if we do indeed, just like in pound kiwi, we get that break above the 50% retracement, which also lines up with the flat Kumo top. If we get a break above that, then look for 1.5616 on the daily, followed by further resistance on a descending trend line, which could match anywhere from 1.5695 all the way to 1.5650. Alright, so same thing with pound kiwi. If we get that break above the trend line on pound kiwi, then we're also looking for a break above the cloud. And now we have pound Aussie. If we get that break above not only the cloud but also the 50% retracement, we're going to look towards the 61.8%, followed by this descending trend line as a second level of resistance. Alright, on a 4 hour chart, right now price is just consolidating, slightly making higher highs, but as you can see, for the last few hours or last few days, last day or two, price really has just been one green, one red, one green, one red, two greens. Right now it's a red. So the market is really slowing down due to the holidays, so don't expect anything too crazy in the market right now. All right, best thing to do in my opinion is stay pat, and be careful with what trades you actually take. Let's go to Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, a chart I do like. Actually, I'm about to double click on this daily chart. We have a resisting trend line to the downside, which coincides with the 161.8 fib at 2710. All right, we have this candle heading towards some resistance, which lines up with this trend line, also with extreme resistance at this level around 127.10. So just keep that in mind for your Aussie. If you're looking to go long, then obviously you want to break above not only this trend line but the 161.8 fib. If you get that, next resistance lies around 1.2970. All right, and that's about 200 pips. However, a bounce from here, if you're not an Ichimoku trader, then people like to short on resistance. You can go ahead if that's the kind of trader you are. However, I'll be looking for another buying opportunity just as long as price remains above the cloud. So even if price starts falling from this resistance level, all that would mean is that I'm trying to go long on a lower price for a bounce right back up. The only time my sentiment will change is if price comes within the cloud or below the cloud. On a 4-hour chart, all right, as you can see, price really not making no more new highs, just consolidating. Right now, it's still above the 4-hour cloud, still above the daily cloud, so we are looking for longs. All right, so if we do see that price break above 1.2710, might be an ideal opportunity to get long. Hopefully, but not ideally, but hopefully it does happen after the holidays, just for a better environment for trading, and not so much right now the environment is good for trading, because I don't want to get faked out of any trades. As you can see, pound dollar has been, I feel like it was a good short trade, but the market has a mind of its own, and trading around certain time periods doesn't help. All right, so let's go to pound dollar. And just in case this video get cut off, guys, I will be making a part 2 just to fill in everybody's requests. I think I have a time limit. All right, just to let everybody know. Pound dollar, as you can see on the right hand side, we have a trend line right across, making a triple top. All right, so this could be a good resistance play for some of you guys looking to short pound dollar. Everybody looking to long pound dollar, look for a break above 163.03. All right, 4-hour chart on the top left hand side. As you can see, price is trending really nicely to the upside. All right, support at 1.6207. Price has been holding this level, this before our Keynesian, as a good support. So if you're looking to go long, this might be an ideal opportunity. 1 hour 20 EMA, not really showing too much. So let's go to another pair, CAD Yen. All right, CAD Yen. Obviously, we're in a bullish sentiment. I actually kind of like this pair. If you're looking to long this pair, we had this price break above the cloud. It became bullish over here. All right. Then we had a retest of the cloud and the Keynesian. Another good entry to go long on CAD Yen. Excuse me. And we had a major pullback. All right. We had a pullback below the Keynesian, and then came right back above, and now it's closing above the Keynesian, which is another good long opportunity in my opinion, just showing that the market is not ready for a trend reversal. All right, daily chart, price remains above the cloud, remains above the Tinkin minor support at 84.28. ASEAN. This is the pair that I'm keeping my eye on. I am looking to go long, perhaps ASEAN. I'm looking for the pair to follow CAD Yen footsteps. It doesn't correlate really that well, but what I mean is I'm looking for this candle to close above the Keynesian on a 4-hour. All right, so hopefully by 1 p.m. we get some ASEAN strength, and perhaps I will be looking to go long on this pair. All right, on a 1-hour chart, we see price making higher highs. All right, we have a very thin Kumo coming up, which means little to no resistance and support areas. which means that price can't easily break through it. All right, for a more bullish confirmation. On the right hand side, we have a daily chart with price really respecting the Kijun as of late. So we have minor support at 87.36, but I am looking for a price to break above 88.38 on a 4-hour chart for a possible entry. Let's go to Kiwi Yen. Last pair. Kiwi Yen, unlike ASEAN, is actually breaking below. Right now we have price, when it broke below the Kijun, it's really been coming under some pressure. However, thick 4-hour Kumo is providing the pair with some support. Alright, so if we continue to see a consolidation, it's going to show me that maybe we're going to get another bull run and perhaps see price cross above 70.62. Alright, in order for this pair to change my mind, I will need to see some impulsive candles break through the Kumo for a strong suggestion that we might be getting a bearish sentiment or a trend change. But because of the holidays, again, I'm not expecting too much volatility in most of these pairs. Therefore, I'm just looking for this pair to consolidate or to continue climbing towards the upside. All right, daily chart, we have minor support at 69.64. 1-hour chart making lower lows. Like, it's obvious, you guys can see that ASEAN and Kiwi Yen aren't correlating right now. And honestly, that's what I want for Christmas. All I want is all these risk pairs to start correlating once again, so we can make your life easier and our life will be easier as well. Because right now the market is just a little uncertain. However, we will continue playing our setups, and I am confident that once the holidays are over, we will start getting some correlation within the market. All right. Well, this is the Ichimoku video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until then, and until my next video, good luck trading, everybody.